Welcome to this how-to. This how-to deals with the issue that you may experience if CCleaner has an issue with Windows 10 or with one of the latest updates from Windows 10. You will experience this immediately when you click on CCleaner, or when the system tries to boot up, you'll get an error indicating that this particular application cannot run. Now, if that is the case, you need to call the IT team or email the IT team, and we will send you a link where you can actually download the latest version of CCleaner and thereby installing it and then fix the problem. Now, once you've received the email, you'll have an email with a link where you can download the actual program. So if you double click on that link, what will happen is a web page will open and take you directly to that location where you can download this particular application. As you can see, there's a red download or orangey red download button. We're going to click on the download button. Depending on the web browser you're using, you may get the option save, or you may get the option save and run. If you get the option save and run, click save and run, or save and run. If not, just click save. Okay. In this case, it's indicated that it's downloaded with this download arrow over here, which has gone now blue, and thereby indicating that the download is now complete. In most web browsers, you can get to the downloads window or the downloads folder by clicking Control J. So we're going to hit Control J, and as you can see, we've got CCleaner 525. If we now double click on this particular executable, it will indicate that this is an executable, so you have to be careful. Just prompting you. What you will get is a prompt which indicates that's launch CCleaner 5.2.5 setup, and it's ready to install. So if we click on the install button now, and if it's completed successfully, what you will do is you get a message saying it's completed. If you uncheck the view release notes checkbox and then just click Run Cleaner, CCleaner, just to make sure the application is running. CCleaner is a program that we use which runs in background automatically to clean up your PC of any residual or temporary files, thereby keeping your system efficient and efficient both on speed and disk space. So it's an important part of our arsenal of tools to keep you up and running. This ends this how-to session. Thank you very much for listening.